Hello, this is Tim Green from Disc On Demand, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how to create your first project in Disc On Demand. Now, in order to get started, you either need to log in, or if you don't have an account, create an account. So if you've got an account, just click login, otherwise click get started. And to get started, create a username. So I'll call this tutorial, and I'll put in my email address. And then you need to agree to the terms and conditions. So if you want to read them, just click terms and conditions. I agree to them. And then click register. And now you just need to check your email. So I'm just going to pause the recording while I log into my email, and then I will show you what to do from there. So I'm in my email. So now I just need to click on this email here, Disc On Demand, your username and password, and here's the email. So it says, thanks for registering. It's got my username there, a password there, a link to log in. So all I need to do is click that link and then log in. So mine was tutorial, and my password, I can just copy and paste that here, and then I can log in. When you log in, you get taken to the profile editor. So you can see there's your username, you can't change that. Your email, you can change your password here. Add in your first and last name, so I'll add in my first and last name. Your store name, so this is the name that will appear at the top of your online store. So I'm going to call this my store. And then you've got your payment details, which I won't go into at the moment. You can change your password by typing in your current password and adding a new password. I won't do that because the password that it gives you is extremely secure. So I'm just going to click update. And it's successfully updated my profile. Now over in my account, you can see you've got my projects, create a projects, my shop, and log out. So in my projects, obviously I don't have any projects, so it'll tell me that there are no products found. My shop, you can see that it'll redirect to my shop, which has the name of my shop at the top, my store, and since there are no products in that shop yet, it is empty. And if I go back up to my account, my profile, that's where we just were, where you can edit your profile, and then you can log out as well. But we want to create a project, so I'm going to click create a project. So to begin with, I'm going to create a project for a Blu-ray of a short film called Bird Watching. So I'm going to type in the title, which is Bird Watching Blu-ray. And then in the description, I'm going to write so since it's a Blu-ray, I want just disc 1 to be Blu-ray, and I don't have any other discs in this project, so I'm just going to leave these two at no disc. Now please note that you cannot change the disc types once a project is created. You would have to create a new project from scratch. Same with packaging. I want this to be in a Blu-ray case. Now, it doesn't actually calculate the fees on this page. If you're wondering what the fees will be, go to About Rates, and then over on the rates page there will be a fee calculator. I want one disc, Blu-ray, in a Blu-ray case, and you can see that the rates for that are $15. So I think about $10 profit is about right, so I'm just going to set that to $25, and you can see there's a processing fee of 60 cents, so I'll be getting $9.40, and that's about what I want. So I'll set my selling price to $25. I think that's reasonable for a Blu-ray. I'm going to send a master disc. Now obviously you can also send an ISO on a thumb drive, for example if you don't have a Blu-ray burner, or you can split up a RAR containing the ISO on multiple, say, DVDs. But I've got a Blu-ray burner, so I'm just going to send a master Blu-ray disc in, and I'm going to upload my artwork. So to add artwork, click the add button, and here I've got two JPEGs that I want to insert that I want to use in my artwork. I've got the cover there, Blu-ray insert, and the disc artwork there. So I'm just going to click open, and they're going to upload. And once they're uploaded, and you've double check all the information is correct, which it is, and then click submit project. Then you get taken to this page which says that it's been submitted successfully and that you need to post the disc to that address. So now you just need to send that out, and then once we've received it, you'll receive another email to say that we've received everything and that it's all set up, ready to go. So once your project is ready to go, you'll receive an email from Disc On Demand which will say that it's live, and it'll have a link, and it'll have some instructions on there as well. So I'm going to click that link. I'm going to look at what the project looks like, and this is it. You can see there's a gallery with the back cover, you've got the front cover, and then you've got the full artwork, the description that I wrote earlier in this tutorial. And then I can also embed the product in my website by clicking here and copying this into the HTML source code of my website. Or I can share this link, or I can share the link to my shop, which you'll see now has my product in it. So I'm going to order a copy for myself, see what it looks like. So I'm going to click add to cart, and it'll add that to my cart. Let's have a look at that. And you can see I've got one copy, $15, and it'll cost me $2 shipping to Australia, Western Australia, which is where I live. So let's proceed to the checkout. And I don't want to ship to a different address, so let's add in my details here. Western Australia. So there's my details added in, and $15 for the Blu-ray, $2 shipping, pay with PayPal, proceed to PayPal. And then you'll be taken to this page. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can just click pay with a credit or debit card, and it'll ask you to insert that information. But I want to pay with my PayPal account because I've got that. Log in. And pay now. And we're done.